Hey, everybody. Thanks for joining us. Thought we'd do our normal where we start off reflecting on an area of healing or a prayer, but we'll utilize the materialization breath to materialize light into our prayers and into the area that needs healing. So let's just visit the materialization breath first, and then we'll put it all into play. Okay. So with the materialization breath, first you'll reflect on something that you want to materialize the light into, and then you let it go. And then you lower your chin down to your chest. You inhale through your nose, hold your breath, head up, and then exhale. And when you exhale through your mouth. Then back down, inhale, hold your breath, up, exhale. Right? So when you head down and then head up, that's one breathing cycle. We want to do about 8 or 9 breathing cycles, right? So again, let's practice. Head down, inhale, up, exhale. Down, inhale, long, slow, deep breath. Hold your breath, up, exhale. Down, inhale, up, exhale. Down, inhale, up, exhale. Okay, so we get the idea. Now, close your eyes and reflect. Reflect on a prayer or an area of healing that you would like in your life, be it physical, psychological, a relationship, a situation, a past event, whatever it might be, even if it's just your spiritual practice. And then silently affirm, I am surrounded by the pure white light. Only good comes to me. Only good goes from me. I am surrounded by the pure white light. Only good comes to me. Only good goes from me. Sit with your awareness on that area of healing or that prayer. As you sit with it, your awareness is on your heart, the center of your chest. Let it go. Your chin down to your chest. Inhale, hold your breath, head up, exhale. Head down, inhale, hold your breath, up, exhale. Down, inhale, 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 up, exhale. Just be still. Just be still. In your stillness, reflect on that same prayer or that same area of healing. And then let it go. Chin down to your chest. Inhale, hold your breath. Up, exhale. Down, inhale. 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 Up, exhale. Just be still. Visualize yourself in a ball of light. See the ball of light. Feel it surround you. It's above your head. It's below your feet. It's in front of you. It's behind you. It's to your left. It's to your right. Silently affirm I am surrounded by the pure white light. Only good comes to me, only good goes from me. Meditate on the ball of light. And then let that go. Your chin down to your chest. Inhale. Hold your breath. Up. Exhale. Down. Inhale. 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 Up. Exhale. Just be still. Just be still. Reflect on your prayer, your area of healing. I am surrounded by the pure white light. I am protected by the pure white light. I am healed by the white light. I am guided by the light. I am a vessel of the light. Right now, I'm being healed by the white light. My emotions are being healed, purified, calmed, and soothed. My mind is being quieted. It's being organized to better align with the white light. As I bathe in the white light, my mind becomes less reactive. My mind becomes less repetitive. In the light, I begin to cultivate wisdom, understanding, and discernment. All of these are manifestations of the light. I have a sense of well being. My heart gets bigger and stronger, becomes more activated with the presence of the white light. Only good comes to me, only good goes from me. Put your chin down to your chest. Inhale, head up. Exhale. Inhale, move your 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 head up. Exhale. Inhale, hold your breath. Up. Exhale. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Just be still. I'm surrounded by the pure white light. Only good comes to me. Only good goes from me. So be it. So be it. So be it. I hope this brought you some peace and some healing. You can do this on your own if you'd like, or you can go to the YouTube channel and do variations of this that we have on YouTube. Thanks for joining us today. From all of us at Astara, we love you guys. Take care.